Gamber-Johnson is excited about announcing its new cradles and dock solutions for the Getac ZX10 rugged tablet computer, as you see here. With over 70 years of experience, Gamber-Johnson knows the importance behind rugged, reliable, and responsive mounting solutions in any situation. We have partnered closely with Getac to ensure our cradle and dock solutions answer the requirements from material handling professionals, while also incorporating many of Getac's excellent add-ons. Some notable features include fully powered USB connectors to power any add-ons you may want to connect, as well as a docking connector gasket to improve resistance against harmful moisture in that connection. Gamber-Johnson knows that efficiency means more productivity, and to keep things moving, we have our easy release or quick docking and undocking. Let's take a closer look at some of the technical aspects behind our newest product.